Paper is a thin sheet material produced by mechanically or chemically treating cellulose fibers derived in wood, rags, grasses, or other vegetable sources in water. The water in the cellulose fibers is drained through a fine mesh, leaving the fiber evenly distributed on the surface, followed by pressing and drying processes. Although paper was originally made in single sheets by hand, almost all is now made on large machines, some making reels 10 meters wide, running at 2,000 meters per minute and up to 600,000 tons a year. It is a versatile material with many uses, including printing, packaging, decorating, writing, cleaning, filter paper, toilet tissue, and currency. The paper-making process developed in East Asia at least as early as 105 CE by the Han court eunuch Kai Lun. However, the earliest archaeological fragments of paper derive from the 2nd century BCE in China. The modern pulp and paper industry is global, with China leading its production and the United States following. It has been said that knowledge of paper making was passed to the Islamic world after the Battle of Talas in 751 CE, when 2 Chinese paper makers were captured as prisoners. Although the veracity of this story is uncertain, paper started to be made in Samarkand soon after. In the 13th century, the knowledge and uses of paper spread from the Middle East to medieval Europe, where the first water-power paper mills were built. Because paper was introduced to the West through the city of Baghdad, it was first called Bagdatikos. In the 19th century, industrialization greatly reduced the cost of manufacturing paper. In 1844, the Canadian inventor Charles Fenauty and the German inventor Friedrich Keller independently developed processes for making paper by pulping wood fibers. Worldwide consumption of paper has risen by 400% in the past 40 years, leading to increases in deforestation, with 35% of harvested trees being used for paper manufacturing. Most paper companies also plant trees to help regrow forests. These days, paper is also being used instead of plastics. Some manufacturers have started using a new, significantly more environmentally friendly alternative to expanded packaging from plastics. Made out of paper and commercially known as paper foam, this new packaging is biodegradable and can be used and recycled with ordinary paper.